And here I welcome you to the Kokanee Creek Nature Center, Nelson, BC. Hello, my name is Reese, and here I'm going to go into a tour of the Nature Museum, the inside of what that looks like, and we'll take a look around at the scenery as well too. Really happy to make my way over here. Anyways, let's get thumbs up for me, and let's get right on to the tour. First up, we'll take a look at the museum, and then we'll go around the area, checking out what the surrounding area looks like. Without further ado, let's get to it right now. So here we get the wall history here. Looks really nice. We'll go on here. We'll check over here. Here. Take a look into here. We'll take a look over here. And we'll take a look at these other little things here. Not that, we also got some videos here you can take a look at inside here as well too. We'll take a look at one video up here. This appears to be a bear. Hi, taking a bath. You get one on a laptop here. That's the same as what you see just right here. And here, got some booze. So this is what it is like inside the museum part. If you want to see an amazing centerpiece, I'll show you first things first. You can take a look over here. And I'll show you.
That's for you. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. I was like, oh.
We have it here.
Okay. $40. Perfect.
Cool centerpiece. Here. We'll check over here. Add some of the books that they have. Neat sort of books here. Get some more books over here and some postcards on my right. And we get these postcards. Bottles. Get some shirts. Yeah, we get this over here. Looks very, very cool. Absolutely love this stuff right here. Check out from over here. Very cool stuff inside here. We'll get this. We have a life. And now we'll exit from here. So that's what the museum looks like. So that's what the inside the visitor center museum is. Is actually a museum and visitor center. Anyways, now let's make like the guide, and let's guide away to some amazing sights in the scenery as well too. But before we get any further, we'll take a look at over here. I got some fish just under there. Looks pretty nice. I'll show you what this spot looks like from over there. Like that. Here's the parking lot right there. And we'll look at the name, which is just like right over here first before we turn on down, which is what you'll see just right here. It says right there, Kokanee Creek Nature Center. So, when you come here, you can take a look at that. It's a really cool place here in Kokanee Creek, which is linked part of getting out of Nelson a bit. as well too. But just wanted to throw that in as well too. We'll stuff over here. Now check out right here. This is like appears to be an outhouse of some sort. Nice made out of wood too. Right there. Cool. Okay. Now let's walk along here and we'll look at some very, very interesting. And the more I said that, you hear something. What do you hear? But like a falls or something. We'll take a look on where that water sound is coming from. But first, you guys can take a look. Over here we got is a little pathway over here. And then from over here it says spawning channel hiking trails, as it reads this right here. And we're going to go and take that as well too. And I'll show you some very cool things along the way too. First out, let's take this pathway here, not for too long, because then we'll go to right over there. And then what appears to be some readouts that we'll take a look at as well too. So here we got a nice wooden fence. You see this right over here. We'll take a walk up from past here a bit, and then we'll make our way down and get to see that as well too. Notice that this here is on the list of places of to see, as well as to tour too. We're really happy to take you on this tour. First up, we start off with the inside of the visitor center, the museum, and then now out here, where the full tour starts. Come here. Okay, so here, little view is the pond. So here's a pond. Nice pond. That's quite a big pond. So what that noise was, it was the water inside there in the gully of the pond. What appears to be is a wheel of some sort right there. So it kind of looks like a dam. So to me it looks almost like a dam at this point right here. Okay, as is, let's follow along over here to where you can see are some rocks on either side. One on my left, and some are here on the right. Hope you saw that butterfly. From over here we get to is the either like a falls or a creek. You get to see it. It looks pretty nice. Over here. Wide open free gets. Wow. What appears to be from over there is a bridge peering through the trees. Hope they can make it out. Oh, hey, we got a squirrel in this one, guys. Don't know if you can see it scampering. We got a squirrel in here. Hope you can hear me well. We got the falls going on over here, so. Oh, wow. This is an amazing spot. I'm so glad that I came over here. In the afternoon. So here I'm out in the afternoon. This is my afternoon tour. And I'm really happy to have made my way over here to get to view the inside of the Visitor Center Museum, and now the outside as well too. That way you'll get a mix of the two, the museum and outside. So want to take a look at the flowers? Okay. Now we will just go along and take a look at the snake-like wooden fence you see just here. As it is here, I'm out in my nice outfit right here, you see? It's pretty nice. Hey, we'll take a look at more of the creek. Now there's a fish in here. I don't know if you can see it, but there could be fish. Haven't seen any school of fish coming by here. But there could be a school of fish inside here. Very naturific. Very, very naturific indeed. Wow. Epic! This is one of my most epic outdoor tours I gave. That had a nature center museum, as well as the great outdoors as well too, with the fence. So this is like part of the museum, but more different because this enclosure with these wooden fences here, but makes a great earthy addition to it. And over here, like that is a park bench right there. We can sit down and view over here. Not much to see though, but good, cool little pit stop just from over here. Okay. Oi. So here is the Kokanee Creek Park spawning channel, which is what you'll see just right inside there. So this is the channel of where they are spawning. So you won't see them, but they're like spawning. That's what that sign read. That's a part of this channel, right inside here. It's supposed to be like a readout, right? Where is it? Right there. But you don't even see it. But here is where they are spawning. The fish are spawning now. Inside here. I'm going to show you some signs of it as well too. Wow, this looks like a channel. It's like the massive channel ever. Wow. Cool. We saw it up there, and now we made our way from over here, and it just goes on down to over here. Okay, we will start viewing this right here. It says wildlife. Oh, gotta get the sun. That's showing up on the sign, I should say. And it says wildlife watch, watching out for kokanee, which are these fish you see just right here. So these are kokanee fish, which is found in Kokanee. And the stretch, here's the readout on that as well too. You get a map over here. So there's that. Now we will look at over here at the other sign. It says a bear's peaceful picnic right here. So here's a bear having lunch right there. And even this it says be bear aware, because there's bears in the area. But the thing is that it's really cool to like see a bear, but you just gotta like make sure that you're at a distance there. But yeah, I just wanted to throw this out to you as well too. You guys also things. We'll look at signs on the way as well too. And then we got this over here. It says from eggs to spawners. We got silver 2 to 3 year old, fry, which is April to November. Even, I think that's how you say that, March to April. Haven, yeah. And here it says the kokanee life cycle, right here in this circle right there. So it gives you a readout on that too. So if you come over here, you can take a look at some readouts as well. Another readout coming. I'll show you more of the Snakey bridge, which is over here. We got two. Got one here, one over there. I'll take a look at that. This is crimson spawners, and that's what these are right here. And it says, "Did you know?" I'll get my side all the way so you can read that. Okay, so there's that one. We'll move it on here, and we'll get to this spot right here. Now here it says, "Good place to spawn." I don't mean the movie. I mean, fish that spawn. LOL. I just had to. Anyways, let's look at this right out here. It says, "Do you know that eggs breathe water that flows over the rocks and logs in the channel makes bubbles that provide oxygen for eggs and fish?" That's what it reads right there. And here's the pictures. Kind of got glare in there because of the sun. Hope you can read. Hope you managed to get that. We'll go up here, up there, and then we'll go from over here. Okay. So here's the upper part right here, and then we'll go back down, back down again after from over here. So I wanted to show you a different level as well. Okay, well, here's another readout. Before we go and take a look at that, we'll read this. What does it say? It says, "The story of Kokanee Creek." Historical, Kokanee Creek was a major kokanee salmon spawning creek. Well, this is what it is. Then it reads just here. There are the pictures. On each one. The left side, in the middle, and on the right. Right there. So here is the history of the story of Kokanee Creek, which is we see here on this readout. Okay, so now we'll go on to the bridge here, and we'll take a look at the falls apart from over here. Whoa, that's quite the falls. Now this here is like Kokanee Creek. I believe the Glacier Falls, I believe, or just say falls. One or two. We got one. We got over here on the right, and we'll get to the one over here on the left, which is what you'll see here. Making its way under the bridge. Wow. Cool. And then we go over here. This is where I came in. We'll go back down over there, check out that, and then we'll make our way back to over here. And I'll show you some of the other stuff as well too. So let's just walk down back over here, and we'll go down the other part of the bridge, and then get away back to up over here as well. Okay, so we're going down to like over here, like I said. We'll take a look over here. Make your way down here. Nice, snaky looking thing here. We'll take a look at the creek. Here we go with 23 minutes and counting. So this is the creek from over here. Creek and channel. And then over here, we'll get down to another sign here. It says Kokanee, a keystone species. It has the birds and other. Looks like just birds. One that's not a bird, which is right here. And it tells you what each one what the right out down below here. Only a few words from here. And that is the story about that one. So here on down here to get you to the other one here. And then this one reads housekeeping on the spawning channel. You get the fish here. Wow. Here's a did you know sign. Let's take a look at that so you can see what the did you know is. Cool. Wow. So a very epic spot. A very like down to earth, you know, too. Looks really, really nice. And that, okay, pretty soon we'll be like heading back, but I want you to go down this little pathway here so we can see what over here looks like over here too. And on the way back, I'll take some pictures as well. Go take a look down here. Get the pathway here. How many minutes? We're at 25 minutes and counting. Great start. Great running time for this video. I'm loving it. I can kind of like go through here a bit, but not fully. So let's crouch down here. Oh, crouch down here. We'll take a look over there. My friend is just right down there. Orange backpack. You can't miss that. Very eye-catching. Okay. Well, we're getting a lot covered within this video. Again, thanks for coming along with me and touring to the Kokanee Creek Center. Kokanee Creek Centure. Now, I'll try to figure out a great word to go for that, for the heading, so you don't know what cool heading I'll make for this video. It'll be in the same line as what I said, but I'll just tweak it up, make it sound a little bit more naturific, let's put it that way. We'll walk along here first, and then we'll head on back, like I said. Hey, so where are we getting to tomorrow and eventually to? Grand Forks. Yes, Grand Forks. And we'll see other spots in there as well too. So there'll be more than one video. Just to let you all know. Okay, well, since saying that, we get on another park bench. That's looking at the flowing water. You see just over here. And we'll take over here to another creek. Well, no, channel that's nice and still. Be a point there. We'll look through here. Different levels of it. Wow. Cool. Wow. Let's get over here. Got a feeling that we'll be heading back pretty quickly here. But we got a lot done. Here now, I'll take some pictures on the way out. And now, we're gonna head back now, and we'll take a look at the ones heading out as well too. But I'll be taking pictures at the highlights of my tour. That way I document it with picture as well too. I'll give you a like for that one as well too. Now we will go and get to the Snakey wood bridge. You see just right here. And we just hit the 30 mark. On time. So yeah, we've read all these readouts from over here. So we've read all the readouts as well too. I'll be taking a picture of this snaky wooden bridge right here at about this point. Got some more readouts, a good place to spawn. Oh yeah, we've read those ones already there. Okay. About head back here. But so now you got a chance to see what this is all about. And I'm really happy about that as well too. Anyways, let's keep on walking this snaky bridge maze. Swing from side to side there, getting all this in. And here now we're about to like get right to the vehicle from here, but I want you guys to take a look at what all this looks like. Heading over here. I believe that's a readout booth. Well, first to get in the outhouse. I like the wood look of the outhouse. Looks nice and earthy like. And then over there is the readout. Not a booth, but looks like a readout awning or A-frame, I should say. Right there. We'll head through here, and then we'll make our way to where the cars are. I won't be long from here. I'll be quick. Really quick. You know what? I'll power walk this one. I'll power walk this one. Well, let's quickly just view this quickly as I power walk. So you can see what down here looks like. There's not much, but we'll take a look at it. Park benches. Yeah, I know, I'll be right there very quickly. That's why I'm speeding up. Okay, about to wrap this off very quickly. Do my quick rounds here. I'm power walking, so we'll get this and we'll get going here. 30 minutes and counting. Our house there. Gus. We'll get to here. Okay, I'm going to is just sum this up, and then I have to get going here. So, quick little one here. See here. Bonfire of some sort. Say 4 minutes and counting. Doing good, doing good. Butterfly, hope you caught that. Grill of some sort. Okay. Just done my rounds there. Now I'm getting out now. And then I'll just look where the cars are. And we'll bring us to a close. Thank you for watching this video and for coming along with me to Kokanee Creek, Centure, and Nature Park. Yeah, Nature Park. Alright, anyways, I must go. From yours truly, Reese. Peace.